we're trying to get this fixed. And I can't do any of the work because I mashed my finger. So Annette is turning wrenches today. I was going to say, is that... Yeah, there you go. They shouldn't be in there horribly tight. I didn't put them back near as tight as they felt like they were. What do we need?
Nothing.
Okay.
A better freaking socket, but hey.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't have any that small. Well, again, like I said, I might in that toolbox, but I don't have any that fit on any of the tools we have here. Most of them are probably at Fred's. Hidden somewhere. That's why I was using the lockjaws. You know, if you need me to try to help you there.
I win.
He broke it loose now. That's what mattered.
So all I really need to do is just break it loose.
Oh no.
Son of a biscuit.
Where'd that go? Did it go all the way to the ground?
I don't know. I can't see it on anything.
It went all the way to the ground.
Well, thank God for that.
Yeah. Just get this other one out. And then we'll get
Down
this.
here, right? Yeah.
We'll get this off. And then we can just back the van up. Take and unhook the wiring here, and this all just comes out. And we need
the hose.
This. All we need from that. You grab the hose? So we had to buy the new part, the other new part, because whoever did this before directly wired it in. This was worn out anyways, so it's all no good. Okay, so install that first. Hold on, I'll be over there in a second. I was trying to get the hose kind of back over. All right.
Just like this? Or did I do it?
No, you got it
wrong.
I think it goes like this. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Goes like that.
Okay, and this one is the 2. Hopefully I don't drop.
Please don't. So I'm going to move the van again. So hopefully this makes our blower work again. And we'll have some hot air in here.
If not, we're never driving it ever again.
Well, we're kind of stuck driving it. I can't shift. Fortunately, I didn't break my finger. I just damaged some musculature.
Yep. Thanks to this van.
Well, thanks to the weather more than anything else.
Oh, I put it in my pocket. I was like, where'd I put it? Gotta love the kangaroo pouch. Ugh.
Yeah, righty tighty.
Yeah. Okay, we definitely need better tools.
Well, we need to collect our tools from Fred's. We need to collect our tools in our other car.
Yeah.
This is makeshift auto repair at its finest. Just get it tight enough where it's not going anywhere. That's probably good.
Yeah.
You see, you might be able to finger tighten that down.
I
a little
already
ways.
finger
Oh,
tightened it. Wait, it might let me go a little more. Yeah, that's as far as it'll get. You know what's most difficult about this?
Huh.
The fact that I have to be on a step stool because this freaking van is taller than I am.
I know, I know.
Ah, the woes of being short.
If it was the Magnum, you'd have no problem here.
Yeah.
Stop.
I actually got that tight.
All right. Now we need the blower. Okay. I have to pull that wiring out of the way because I'm catching it. There we go. Oop. Dropping things. There you go. It's going to have to go up right there so it can be bolted in.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
There we go. Put it right into place. Then I would do this one on this side, right here. And just so everybody knows, Annette could probably do this on her own. I'm just directing her so that she knows how I took it apart and put it together already once. Because she hasn't done this particular unit on her own. This thing's wrong, but I can fix it.
But I am mechanically inclined. Thanks to my dad.
Ow. It's okay.
Didn't mean to squash your finger.
It's okay. It's still tender. I did this today. Literally hours ago.
canvas where we paint with our view. No matter the day or the work that we do, together we bond, our hearts full of fun and no doubt. Indescape Productions, where friends come to play. In the workshop we laugh, learn, we say. Crafting and creating, side by side. Bonds of craft forever will abide. With wrenches and hammers we build and we mend. In this space we find peace, we don't pretend. From old cars to new frames, every piece fits just right. Together we're stronger, our spirits ignite. Through the sweat and the dust, through the highs and lows, we're family here, no need for any show. Indescape Productions, where dreams are to grow. Bonds of craft never let us go.
So I'm not exactly sure what this rubber piece is for, but that's the closest I can get it. And then this piece goes here. I just end up putting it like this. And it plugs in right there. Come on. There we go. Now, we'll test it.
So we get in the van now.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn this off to start with. Go.
We have heat.
We have air again.
Yay!
So nice. Oh, to hear it blow through the other spots now? That's nice. Look at that. We fixed something.
Yay! Well, I mean, we fixed it. Well, somebody else fixed it, but...
Oh, the power steering? Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Back on vent. Yeah, for everybody who wants to know, yesterday we were supposed to take a friend to an appointment. The power steering pump blew out in the van, and that was $900 some odd. It was something I couldn't do here anyways, so that's been replaced, and now no more clunky, noisy sound. And now we have a blower again.
And a new steering wheel cover.
Oh, yeah. By Skechers. It's actually really, really comfortable.
It's memory foam.
Yeah. So, that's better. The engine's running really good lately, and we have heat. So, we've only got very little things to fix on this thing. For 723,000 miles, it's still doing good.